Well, ADA almost did it yesterday. It almost did that 4.5% move, like we were talking about, bringing ADA into some very exciting spots from a price standpoint. But it looks like it was more of a test, kind of leading into something that is happening in just 2 days that everybody needs to be aware of. Is this the moment where the market can take off? There's a few things that we need to talk about and pay attention to as we move through the week. And what we should be doing in preparation for this. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So we closed in on that range very, very quickly over the course of just 3 1-hour candles. ADA almost made its way up to $1.12, that range that we were talking about, where we have some of the largest short leverage liquidations. And unfortunately, we didn't work our way in all the way. So ADA and many other assets throughout the space took off. And obviously now we're kind of seeing red as we start the day, because this is basically where our daily candle started. And you guys can see that, for example, if we look at the daily chart in terms of ADA, we're just basically chopping around. Same thing, right? Nothing different than the day before. Just kind of trying to find our way here. There's people that are, in fact, trading this up and down. And all we have to do is just kind of sit back, be patient, and wait and let things play out. Now, that being said, BTC did do exactly what we talked about. It did actually set a new all-time high this week. Actually, right after the daily candle opened, you guys can see that BTC ran all the way up to 106,565. So that's a new all-time high. That's a very exciting sign as we move into the start of the week. But what we need to watch for here is now we do in fact have this CME gap. So it is completely possible that BTC may come down and close this. This is right at about 102.4 or so. That's not always guaranteed. We don't always close these CME gaps in the beginning of alt season. So just something to watch as we move through the early part of the week. And frankly, right now, when we look across altcoins and the market in general, it's a lot of chop, a lot of blah, right? For example, this is the this is the market cap of all altcoins outside of BTC. You guys can see that basically since Wednesday or so, we have been flat. We have done nothing. And in fact, apart from the wicks up and down here, you guys can see that all the way since December 3rd, so almost 2 weeks ago, the market has just been essentially treading water. And it's because we're waiting for something very specific that happens in just 2 days. And this is the FOMC meeting. So again, we're waiting to see what the Fed is going to do. Are they going to give us this confirmation of another interest rate decrease? An exciting moment for the economy, because again, when we see these rates drop, it spurs excitement. People start spending. People will put capital into more speculative assets. And the great thing is that we've seen a lot of this capital position on the sideline in the market. We're kind of waiting for this moment again that people decide to just shove all in. All right. It hasn't happened quite yet. I know this is what people are complaining about. Oh, we're doing nothing. We're not making moves. We just need to be patient, right? The market needs to be conducive for these pushes to happen. And like I talked about my SHIB video yesterday, the final warning, right now we're in basically that 2-week period where historically speaking, the market begins to take off. December 15th through basically December 31st. That is when we start to get our first big alt season push. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice, and we need to pay attention. It should be around 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on Wednesday that Jerome Powell will make a speech, let us know their decision. You guys can see right now there is a 97.1% chance that we're going to get an interest rate decrease of a quarter basis point. So, or 25 basis points. So that's a very exciting sign. So although right now it may look like the market isn't really doing a whole lot, this is kind of the last fake outs and shakeouts we're dealing with before a big event happening. Okay. So biggest thing is just be patient. There's going to be some volatility as we work into the early part of the week. We may in fact tighten as we get very close to this, maybe like later on Tuesday or into the early part of the morning on Wednesday. So appreciate you guys as always. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Apparently I'm losing my voice during this video, but we will get through this. We have some very exciting times ahead, and this may in fact be the week where, again, ADA and many others break out in a big way. So have a great day. Share your love below. Let me know your thoughts about what is coming this week. Again, if you're new or haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Have a great day. Share your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.